Christmas memories.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to be sharing this video with you today. I had asked in my Christmas Decorate With Me if you guys would like to see this again this year, and I got an overwhelming response of yes. You guys were so excited to see us decorate our tree, and honestly I love filming videos like this because it kind of lets you guys into our world a little bit as a family, and it also really gives us good memories as a family that we can go ahead and look back on these. So I am super excited to share this with you guys.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop.
So I always watch these beautifully decorated Christmas trees on YouTube and on Instagram, and I always just fall in love with them, and our tree always turns out gorgeous, but at the same time I definitely take a different approach to it. I don't really focus on making my tree like the most gorgeous tree, the most in style tree. We just kind of go ahead and let our boys decorate it how they would like. I just always have the best memories of decorating our Christmas tree as a family when I was younger, and so I want to give the same thing to my boys. We don't have a bunch of trees in our house that we decorate. We only have our one big one, and so I really want to make sure that we incorporate our kids in this. But let me know if you guys have one of those gorgeous picture perfect trees, because honestly I'm a little bit envious of that. Or let me know if you guys just let your kids decorate them and kind of go crazy with it, even if it doesn't end up looking perfect. As you will see a little bit later on, we even let Noah cluster as many ornaments as he wants on a single branch, which seems to be like his favorite thing to do. And that is okay with us because one day our boys won't be that interested in decorating our tree, and at that point then I can go ahead and have those beautiful picture perfect Instagram worthy trees. But until then, this is how we do it.
Just next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me.
So we didn't really have a great spot this year to put our Christmas tree, I felt, just the way our living room was set up, but this was the best place we could figure out. And because of the placement of the tree this year, it was really nice for the boys to be able to climb up on the stairs and put the ornaments up on the tree that way. They thought that was so much fun, and it was super cute to get little clips of them doing that. And this is actually our first year having a bigger Christmas tree. We have always just had like a 6-foot Christmas tree, which is kind of funny because Kyle ends up being taller than our tree and I end up being like not that much shorter than it. So it was really fun to have like a larger Christmas tree this year now that we are in our forever house.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
This is one that I made at my old school.
Yeah. We like all those special ones, huh?
Uh-huh.
So I got all of our jingle bells from Hobby Lobby this year because the ones that we had before we had gotten when Luke was a baby, and we really didn't have that many left at this point. So I went with kind of like a silver and cranberry and rose gold colored bells, and they are so gorgeous. And then I just kind of mix them in with some of the Winter Wonderland theme that we are keeping throughout the rest of the house. And of course, some of our favorites are the personalized ornaments that we get every year. Those ones are always so special to us. And that is actually one of our traditions that we do every single year, is we will go down to our mall and we will just pick out one personalized ornament every single year with each person in our family, and we have a different ornament for each year that is just really special to us.
Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. Gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. When the Christmas spirit's all over town.
It's popcorn, it's popping.
Both coming out. This is the coolest part of the whole thing. Yeah. Guys, it's both coming out. Yeah. Both sides. Yep, I know. Again.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh, it's filling up. It's filling up with popcorn.
So every year after decorating our Christmas tree, we always have the tradition of eating popcorn and having some hot cocoa. And a few years ago, we actually got this popcorn maker. I will link it down below because this has been the funnest thing for my kids. We only pull it out on really special occasions, but they always just have the best time watching it pop. And it just makes it a little bit more special because it's not just regular air pop popcorn or microwave popcorn. And it definitely just kind of adds to the whole experience.
So we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive.
So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us and decorating our tree with us, and also spending the rest of the evening with us and just seeing what our Christmas tree decorating traditions look like. Let me know in the comments what some of your Christmas traditions are. I always love finding out about new traditions, and sometimes you end up finding one that you definitely need to add into your own family. So definitely let me know what your traditions are because I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also head over to Instagram and follow me over there. And I will see you guys in my next one.